did y'all try this French onion rice? Good God! I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Hello, everyone. Hello. Come on in here, y'all. Come on. Come on in here to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Now today, I have a recipe from my daughter Shayla. French onion rice. It's like a casserole, I guess, but it has mushrooms in it. If I'm telling you, it's the best thing ever. My family members know. They know how good this recipe is because every time they taste it, they are wowed by it. Wow, like, ooh, this is so good. You can't just eat one bowl, y'all. You just can't. You got to just have more and more. But I'm telling you, it's just that good. Now, some of you people who don't like mushrooms, you can leave the mushrooms out. But I just leave it in. You know why? Because once it's done, once it's finished cooking, the mushroom rise up to the top. So it's just on the top. And you can just eat the middle inside. You don't have to eat the top. Just move the mushrooms out the way. But I'm just telling you, it's still good. It's a great recipe that she's been making it for years. She created it somehow. I don't know. But there's probably other versions out there. But I'm going to tell you her version is the best. And I'm going to tell you, use real butter. Real butter. I don't know how many times I can stress to you guys to use real butter. And use salted butter. Salted. I know a lot of you are concerned about the salt. And you're concerned about the soup that has the salt in it. But let me tell you, if you drink enough water, you can flush that salt out of your system. I mean, it's good to eat some things that you like every now and then, okay? Now, it's not really salty like you think it is. But if you're concerned that salt is in the soup, salt is in the mushroom, salt is in the butter, just like I said, drink a whole lot of water, okay? And stop complaining. Because I'm telling you, if you use fat-free, it's not going to taste like mine. It's not going to taste like my daughter's recipe. I'm just telling you. But, hey, it's up to you. But I want you to set your oven to 400 degrees, all right? So I want you to do that now. So let's get ready. Are you ready now? Are you ready? So come on, y'all. Come on. Let's get some of this. Now, y'all hear Twinkie in the background. That is a parakeet that I have. He loves to talk sometimes when I'm talking. So you got to excuse that, okay? Excuse him. I love him, though. All right, here we go, y'all. Boom. Here are all the ingredients you will be using. 1 cup of jasmine rice, chicken broth, French onion soup. That's a 10.5-ounce can for both of them, and mushrooms. You can use the pieces or you can use the slices, and salted butter, guys. Salted butter, not margarine. And here's the dish I will be using, a 2-quart clear casserole dish. Now you gotta make sure you wash off your cans, because remember there are rodents and rats and pests inside the stores, okay? So make sure you clean it up real good and wipe it off. Okay, I'm opening up my cans. Now, when you get to the mushrooms, now just drain half of the juice off, okay? And here's the butter. Make sure you melt the butter. Melt the butter. Real butter, guys. Real butter. Pour it inside all over the dish. Make sure you use it all the butter. And then put your rice in. Just spread it out throughout the casserole dish, just like I did. Now you're going to put in your French onion soup. All over now. All over. Yeah, I know it looks kind of nasty right about now. I know what it looks like, diarrhea. Anyway, chicken broth. Go ahead and do the same with the chicken broth. All over. Now you're going to put in your mushroom. Just spread it in there. Just spread it in. Spread it on in there. Spread it. Now take your spoon and kind of mix it around just a little bit. Just a little bit. You ain't got to do it too much, okay? Now, set your oven to 400 degrees. Well, you really should have done that before. Anyway, it's going to take about 35 minutes to cook. It's according to what kind of dish you're using. What I'm using, as you can see as I put it in the oven, like I said, it's a 2-quart dish. It's kind of deep. All right, now it's ready, y'all. I pulled it out. Do you see how the mushrooms just went to the top? Okay, they're gonna come up to the top. If you don't like mushrooms, like I said before, just pick it off. Look how good that is. Look how good. Ooh, I gotta plate this up. I gotta plate it up. Ooh, that is so good, guys. You just don't understand. I'm still drooling. I drool on every video. Look at that. Look how good that look. I sprinkled some green onions on top just for decoration. Oh, man, I'm telling you, it was so good. It was so good. Lord have mercy. Yo. Let me tell you something. This is amazing. Look at it. I'm telling you, every time you make this, it's gonna be the bomb. People gonna compliment you on this. Now I put some green onions in there. That's just for decoration, but you can see. Can you see it? Can you see the French onions? I don't even know how to describe this. I'm telling you, like I said, do not use low sodium, okay? It's not gonna taste right. It's not salty, guys. It's not salty. So do not use low sodium soups. Don't do that. You're gonna mess up the dish. If you want it to taste like mine, I cannot guarantee it's gonna taste like mine if you use low sodium. This is only 5 ingredients. 5. I know I'm showing poor fingers, but 5 ingredients. Even a kid can make this, but you just gonna have to watch out with the oven, okay? But I'm telling you, it's so easy. Now I'm getting ready to taste it for you guys. Ooh, Lord, let me tell you, Shayla, my daughter, this is wonderful. I'm glad you showed your old mama how to make this. I don't think she really want to give me the recipe, but I told you, gotta let the people try it because it's great. It's better than anything out there. Well, at least to me. Yes, I'm going to brag about it because it's my daughter's recipe. Anyhow, so y'all go and make it, okay? Let me know how it turns out down in the comment section. Now, you can have this with your holiday meal. You can eat it with chicken. You can eat it with steak. You can eat it with a salad. You can eat it with whatever you like, okay? But today, I'm just having rice. No meat. That's the way it is when you live by yourself and you're single, okay? Anyway, y'all, thank you for stopping by. And make sure you come back next week for another exciting recipe from cookingwithsandrafaye.com. And make sure you send me some of your recipes to try on this channel. Okay, I'm going to grade it for you. I want you to send me your best recipe, okay? Your best. I'm doing holidays right now, so make sure it's a holiday recipe for now. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you. Until next week, I will see you guys. I'll see you. So come on back with Cooking with Sandra Faye.